guys, welcome to Aragon Robotics. My name is Shelby Trickus, I'm a rising senior, and I'm the director of this team.
Hi, I'm Andrea Semigo. I am a rising sophomore and I am average captain.
Hi, I'm Sophia Subramani and I'm a rising senior and I'm an FTC mechanical member.
Since we couldn't come visit middle schools like we usually do this year, we wanted to make this quick presentation to introduce you to our team and convince you why Aragon Robotics is the place for you.
Okay, so Aragon Robotics has two teams. 4345 is our first tech challenge team, smaller robots, and a longer competition season. Then we have our first robotics challenge team, 840, bigger robots, and a bit of a shorter season. So our business team works year-round doing marketing, finance, and outreach. Fall training is for newbies to learn technical skills, and we have off-season for veterans to do new projects and build cool stuff outside of the challenge. FTC build and competition season starts off with kickoff in September and ends in competitions November through February. FRC build and competition season kicks off in January and competitions are March through April.
Something that's really important to Aragon Robotics is our community. And a lot of this community comes from the organization that we compete with, which is called FIRST. It stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. They have teams from around the world, as you can see here, and our team has a lot of spirit for our own team. We dress up for all of our competitions, and a lot of spirit for Aragon as well. We dress up in red and black all the time and participate in a ton of school events.
We have three sections of our business team. One of those sections is marketing, and marketing handles a variety of different things, such as designing new merch, handling social media, making YouTube videos, and you get to let your creativity flow. Another section of our business team is finance. In finance, it overall handles the team's income and expenses, but you really get to use your writing skills with writing grants, and you help with fundraising and communicate with our sponsors. Outreach handles a variety of different events within our local communities, like the Aragon community, local tech communities, and one of our biggest efforts is Scout Reach, where we teach younger students an introduction to robotics.
The business team is a really great place to be if you want to learn how to run a business and express your creativity and really become familiar with all aspects of the team. For people who aren't interested in business, who want to be on our technical team, we have a lot of different aspects of training that take place in the fall, usually before FRC kickoff in January. The first thing that students learn is mechanical and design training. So mechanical training involves learning how to prototype and learning how to think through problems in a creative way. And we have a lot of teamwork assignments where you really get familiar with the tools and the materials that we use to build little prototypes of different things that we can use. CAD is computer-aided design, and this is a really useful tool for creating items that we can 3D print or machine. So you get to do a lot of practice from wheels to all the way to robots and macaroni. We use some really great computers that we have access to, and we get to use a lot of fancy machines in our fantastic Aragon shop, where we kind of can custom create parts for our robots. Electrical and programming training usually works with a smaller group of students, but that's really how we connect from the design of our robot to how it actually moves. We need to kind of write the code. It can be driver-controlled or autonomous code, and that's how the robot knows what it's doing on the field.
Okay, so kickoff happens at the beginning of both team seasons, and it's where the game challenge is revealed. So after the game challenge is revealed, we usually have prototyping sessions and begin the building process. So then build season is where we build off of what we started off at kickoff, and we continue prototyping and actually do the mechanical building part of our robot and program throughout. Finally, competition season is where we get to show off our robot and go through the judging process, which involves presenting to a panel of judges as well as having judges come around and view your robot, and then actually competing and following through with the challenge at the end, which is a super fun way to bond and a super satisfying way to end the year.
So, if Aragon Robotics sounds like the place for you, if you are interested in any of those things, from our business team to our mechanical team to electrical and programming, even if you have no experience and you just want to learn, we have a new contact list going. So visit this website, bit.ly/Aragon Robotics 2020, and just give us your name and your email, and we will make sure to keep you posted on summer opportunities, virtual training resources, and how you can become an official member of our team in the fall. We're not exactly sure what this season is going to look like, but we know it's going to be great and we want you to be a part of it. If you have any questions about anything at all, email us, aragonroboticsteam@gmail.com, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to meeting you in the fall.